So, guys, here is the poem I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. Just look at your book. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. Who is referred to as a free bird in the poem Why? The white race in America is referred to as a free bird in the poem because the people of the white race enjoyed every type of luxuries, whereas the caged bird, which are referred to blacks, could hardly move about. Second part. To what is the free bird compared in the first two lines of the extract? How is the action of the bird shown to be free and enjoyable? It is compared to the white Americans who have favorable circumstances in life. The free bird floats effortlessly on the downstream current of the wind and enjoy himself in the glow of orange rays of the sun. Third part. What implied comparison is made here? A free bird leaps on the back of the wind. The implied comparison in the two lines is that circumstances are favorable to the free bird and he easily and effortlessly enjoy the comforts and luxuries of life. Fourth part. Explain what is meant by the orange sun rays. The orange sun rays symbolize happiness, freedom, comforts, glow and luxuries of life. How does the free bird dare to claim the sky? Whom does the free bird represent in the poem Why? The free bird dares to claim the sky because he is the only bird to fly in the sky. The other bird is caged. The free bird can fly wherever and whenever he wants to fly. The free bird represents the white Americans to indicate the privileges that they enjoyed. Second extract. Read the extract given below, just look at your book and answer the questions that follow. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. First part. Why does this stanza in the extract begin with but? This stanza begins with but because it represents a contrast to the first stanza. The first stanza describes a happy free bird, but this stanza describes an unhappy bird in captivity. Why do you think the cage is narrow? What is meant by his bars of rage? The cage is narrow because the caged bird's movements are restricted. The bars of rage are a metaphor for the feelings of the people who are bound by slavery, ignorance, and prejudice. The bars and rage means that the caged bird is angry and his vision is restricted because of his anger. Third part. Why does a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage? A bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage because the caged bird is in captivity. His feet are tied and his wings are clipped. His movement is restricted in the narrow cage. He is angry about his imprisonment, but he is also helpless. In his anger, he cannot think about anything except about his helplessness. Fourth part. Give the meaning and significance of the following lines. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The poet explains that the caged bird's wings are clipped and feet are tied, so he has no other way except to open his throat and sing for his freedom. It signifies the flight of African Americans who are subjected to various kind of restrictions and were not given equal status. Fifth part. Whom does the poet indirectly refer to while mentioning of the free and the caged bird? Why? The poet indirectly refers the free bird to the white Americans because they were free to do whatever they wished and could live fearlessly, and the caged bird to the black Americans who were oppressed by the whites. Third extract. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. The caged bird sings with fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. First part. Under what circumstances does the caged bird sing? Why does it tell us about his condition? The caged bird is enslaved. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so the only thing he could do is to sing for freedom. His condition is very pitiable. He was unknown with the freedom which the free bird enjoyed. Second part. Why does the caged bird sing of things unknown? The caged bird is singing of freedom and hope. Things unknown refers to the fact that the bird has never enjoyed freedom before, and so has no idea as to what it tastes like. Though he is singing of freedom he has longed for all his life, it is something completely unknown to him. Third part. What is meant by fearful trill? Why is it said to be fearful? Fearful trill means Fearful trill means the quivering in the voice of the birds due to fear. It is said to be fearful because the bird is in the fear of being exploited and oppressed by the privileged section of the society. Fourth part. What song is he singing? Why? The bird is singing of freedom because there is no other way by which he can raise his demands and express his thoughts for freedom. Fifth part. Why is his singing heard on a distant hill? What does this signify with reference to the poet's life? His singing is heard on a distant hill because the song that he sings can never be confined, even if he himself is confined. The poet stresses here that the people cannot be kept encaged and oppressed for long. They will struggle against all the problems and express their voice. Lastly, the impact of their voice will be too powerful to ignore. I hope I am not reading it fast. Fourth extract. Just look at your book when I am reading the extract. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade winds soft through the sighing trees, and the fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a caged bird stands on the grave of the dreams, his shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. What is meant by another breeze? Why does the free bird think of another breeze? Another breeze here means that the free bird, having enjoyed freedom, starts thinking of new or more opportunities. The question was, why does the free bird think of another breeze? The free bird thinks of another breeze because his movements are unrestricted, and so he thinks to explore and experience newer places. Second part. What is the grave of dreams? Why does a caged bird stand on the grave of dreams? The bird's cage is referred to as the grave of dreams. The caged bird is not free to pursue what he dreams. As he lives in captivity, he is unable to fulfill his dreams and aspirations, and so stands on the grave of dreams. Third part. What metaphorical implications does the following lines have? His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird is a metaphor for African Americans who face discrimination, prejudices, and slavish treatment during apartheid. Every sort of restrictions was imposed on him. They were barred from walking in areas dominated by white people. Thus, they enjoyed neither freedom nor equality. They were not allowed to even gather at a place So they wrote poems and other ways of writing to raise their demands for freedom. Fourth part. What is the significance of the following expression? Fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn. Fat worms signify that the free bird has freedom to choose his own food. He can find his food at every door represented by dawn bright lawn. So this means that for the white man everything is made easy and convenient. As a free bird, the white Americans were given a superior status in the society. On the basis of the above extract, bring out the main conflict in the poem. The theme of freedom versus enslavement runs throughout the poem. Freedom is symbolized through the unrestricted movements of the free bird, whereas enslavement is symbolized by the caged bird whose wings are clipped and feet are tied. The poem articulates the poet's pent up emotions against racial discriminations and slavery in America. The caged bird represents the community that was presented that was prevented from social, religious, and cultural freedom on account of their skin color. Singing is symbolic of his rebellion against oppression. So, guys, I hope it helps you.